Here is a pair of quantities from a situation from the lesson. The relationship can be defined as a function. The situation is time in seconds since the dog owner left and the total number of times the dog has barked. Which variable is independent and which is dependent? Think of a cause and effect relationship. The independent variable causes the dependent variable to happen. The number of times the dog has barked depends on the seconds since the owner has left. So, the seconds since the owner has left is the independent variable, and the number of times the dog barked is the dependent variable. Now, fill in the blanks of the sentence with the quantities. Blank is a function of blank. You can replace depends on with is a function of. The number of times the dog has barked is a function of the seconds since the owner has left. Now it's your turn. Which is the independent variable in the situation? The number of dollars paid depends on the amount of time worked. Therefore, the independent variable is the amount of time worked. When graphing, the independent variable usually goes on the x-axis, and the dependent variable goes on the y-axis. For our problem, the time since the owner left in seconds will go on the x-axis, and the number of times the dog barked is on the y-axis.